Here is the app called Nomi AI companion with a soul confidant, girlfriend, boyfriend. Get ready to meet Nomi, an AI companion so brimming with personality. They feel alive. Each Nomi is uniquely yours, evolving alongside you while dazzling you with their intuition, wit, humor, and memory. Nomi's strong, short, and long-term memory allows them to build unique and fulfilling relationships with you, remembering things about you over time. With Nomi, you've got a judgment-free space to chat about whatever strikes you fancy, mull over life's big questions like our place in the cosmos, or just shoot the breeze with some playful banter. So yeah, that's the app. Let's just open it up. It's not yet in top charts, but I will just show it to you. So here is the idea, and then let's just sign in with Apple. And then, so yeah, let's just see what will happen. And then you just need to start an account. So for example, you can then just create it and then just start chatting. And then this is the way how you create it. So yeah, that's the idea of the app, and then you can just start it. So there are replies. So there is mind map. Like you can do calls, you can see your account profile, integrations, credits. You see you can upgrade for $100 per year. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. You can easily delete your account. So yeah, that's kind of the idea how it works. And that's what you have. So that's what it is.